हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल डूइंग। अब हम लोग पीडियाट्रिक स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एंड दैट विल बी डूइंग इट फ्रॉम दी घाई एसेंशियल पीडियाट्रिक्स। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग जो है इसका एक बार इंडेक्स देख लेते हैं। जो फर्स्ट 10 चैप्टर्स ऑफ घाई हैं दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम दी प्रैक्टिकल पर्पस ऑल्सो, फ्रॉम वाइवा पर्सपेक्टिव ऑल्सो, एंड ऑल्सो ऑफ कोर्स फ्रॉम थ्योरी पार्ट ऑफ व्यू। नाउ इसके अंदर की इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि जो फर्स्ट 10 चैप्टर्स हैं दे आर दी जनरल पीडियाट्रिक्स। 10th 11th chapter onwards we'll be coming on to the systemic pediatrics, and in the end we'll discuss something about the poisoning, pediatric critical care, important medical procedures, rights of the children, integrated management of neonatal and childhood illnesses, and rational drug therapy. Okay, so this is the basic जो हम लोग इस बुक में कवर करने वाले हैं. Now coming on to the first chapter, which is about the introduction to pediatrics. So ये एक बड़ा ही जनरल सा चैप्टर है. इसके अंदर हमें ये बताया हुआ है कि pediatrics एक न्यू एंड यंग ब्रांच है. Okay, and the meaning of pediatrics has been told that pedo phase means a child and iatros is the healer. So it's all about the healing of a child. And the historical perspective has been discussed that in Ayurveda, Kauram based on the Kashyap Samhita, is the branch that deals with child and health disease. Charak Samhita and Suraj Samhita have also described health care of the children. So basic यहाँ पर history बताई हुई है. Next up is the challenge to child health कि हम लोग क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं pediatrics and what is the essentiality or the use of pediatrics. So it is about that under 5 mortality rate की बात की हुई है यहाँ पे. Infant mortality rate, neonatal mortality rates, early neonatal mortality rates and late neonatal mortality rates. All these have been attributed कि इन्हें हमें कम करना है. And now coming on to why do children die. So prematurity basic concern रहता है हमारा most of the times. Okay, prematurity is there, neonatal infections are there, birth asphyxia is there, pneumonia, diarrhea, congenital anomalies, and some injuries also can be there. These are the proximate conditions that lead to life-threatening situations and death. Okay, so basic this is more of a introductory chapter. इसमें से बहुत ज़्यादा आपको exam point of view से नहीं मिलेगा, but you should know that why are we reading this. Okay. Then this chapter talks about all the health programs जो आपने PSM में पढ़े हैं. Okay, so there is emergency obstetric and newborn care. There is postpartum care for mother and the baby. There is newborn and child care में HBNC है कि home based newborn care है. Facility based newborn care है. Integrated management of neonatal and childhood illnesses है. Universal immunization program है बच्चों के लिए जो रन किया जाता है. Home based care for young child है. राष्ट्रीय बाल स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम है. Okay, now there are the grassroots team क्या क्या है जो बच्चों के लिए काम कर रही है. There is ASHA, which is the accredited social health activist. There is AWW आंगनवाड़ी worker. There is auxiliary nurse midwife. There is CHO community health officer होते हैं. Okay, so that is it. Basically हमें इस चैप्टर के अंदर ये सीखना था that what do we want to do with our knowledge in pediatrics. Okay, so next video may we'll be starting with the second chapter of the book and the first actual topic of pediatrics, which is growth. Okay, so be consistent, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.